Hey guys, disclaimer, these are alcohol-free drinks. Of course, that's why I'm enjoying it as much. And guess what? I'm going to be pairing these drinks as well with food. So you need to be glued to this channel. And if you haven't clicked that subscribe button, you need to do so now. So I think when it comes to drinks, I have got everybody covered. So you have your mocktails. So if you don't do alcohol at all, you definitely have a varied selection. You can choose whatever you want. If you watched my previous video about West African drinks, you would find the recipe for this Sobolo. I'd leave a link at the top. I cooked the Sobolo down till I had a syrupy consistency. I then infused the wintia, which is a grains of salim, in there as well and refrigerated it. So I've ended up with this beautiful syrup, which means that I can mix it with any drink that I prefer. You can add a little extra clove as well for that warmth and just leave it till when you do require it, but refrigerate it. That's important. My next drink now is the Asaana, and I've done exactly the same thing. I've cooked the Asaana down. I'll leave a link at the top for the recipe so you can emulate it. Secondly, you can also buy this from the market, so there's no wahala here and you just reduce it. I've also added my wintia for that extra flavor, and that's refrigerated, and I've only brought it out because I need it now. So to my champagne glasses, look, you can use any glass that you want. But the reason why I'm choosing this is, you can still do your keche without the alcohol. You can still enjoy it. So I've placed 2 tablespoonfuls of my Asaana syrup in the first glass. And now I'm doing exactly the same with my Sobolo as well in the second glass. So I decided to add some tonic water to my syrup, and I was blown away by the flavors. I could not wait to share this with you guys. You should try this drink. Because bearing in mind, the Asaana is sweet and the tonic water has that bitterness. If you don't have access to tonic water, use the quinine tonic that we have in Ghana. It works equally well. And I was blown away by it. It was the most refreshing. And, it had the bubbles in. It was just so good. I was like, how did I even miss this combination? I just went for it. So using a stirrer, I'm just stirring and mixing everything together till it's just about combined. But does this not look like muscatella in a way? It does, right? I was blown away by the color. It just looks so beautiful. I was in love with it. Then Emudro had to come out. Absolutely. So yet again, I've added that tonic water to the Emudro. Now you notice that the Emudro, I had a lot more and just a little bit of the tonic water. So that just balances it perfectly and it's not as fizzy as the rest. But the beautiful thing about this is, served with a champagne glass, somebody will look at it and think that, oh, Charlie, also no. Yes, you're drinking your mocktail there. So I've just got some candied ginger that I've just put at the top for some keche, and I'm dropping some wintia in as you do. You see, it's all about the beauty. And then also I got 1 leaf of a mint, and I dropped that in, That just makes it beautiful, simple, and elegant. I've done it again. Now, seriously, if any of these drinks don't feature at your Christmas table, you've done yourself a great disservice because all these ingredients are readily available to you. It's so much easier and it's gratifying when you make it yourself and, you're telling your guests, your family, look, your family, get them involved in making this. It's just beautiful and fun. Keche. Makacho, Brunye, Ndudu keche. Magbenade. Ndudu mi keche warm Christmas, yeah. Me warm la wait. You just tell me your mouth is not watering. Look at these bubbles. I'm just gonna sit here and watch it myself in peace and quiet. But then again, I've had some to drink. You, on the other hand, you have to use your imagination tasting this. Oh wow, these are ingredients that we will have readily available at home. So I think this Christmas, You can also do your ketche, that Ndudu ketche, and that's West. When Tia was definitely representing a lot of ginger as well. Tell you what, this whole Sobolo thing that is reduced, I've done it with Prosecco, and also the mocktail version, I've just added some tonic water. It's just great, you know. And then our good old Asaana. Reduce the Asaana to that beautiful silk consistency that you saw earlier. Yes, and I just added some tonic water. So yet again, alcohol free. And it looks good. Now I'll tell you something. I did the Asaana with Prosecco, which was great, you know. But I'll tell you what, the Asaana with the tonic water, OMG, it's really good and it tastes divine. It's my favorite actually. And then we've got our Emudro, which I've added some of the tonic water to. Yet again, you can add your Prosecco to it for that spiciness. It works perfectly. And you know, I love the fact that I've added some candied ginger here as well. So you know, as you do, no I find worry. I still have that ginger in my mouth. I'm going to try with that Asaana and see. That works on its own. That's how it works, you see. That's how I test things and see what works and what doesn't work. So yeah, definitely leave the ginger as ginger and this as it is. So yeah, I hope you're definitely inspired to try some of these recipes. Thank you very much for your love, your hearts, your encouragement, pushing me, allowing me that platform to, you know, build upon myself each day and bringing you the best from the continent. Akbar kaka. Mindanishi, medase. Merci beaucoup. Mauna yamisi. Please try the recipes and leave feedback with your comments. And I do read them, you know. I love it when most people go like, oh, you know what? I didn't think I loved cooking, but I'm falling in love with cooking again and, you know, being creative. And I love this journey so far. It's a movement. And by all means, be inspired to try it. You know, if we don't try our own ingredients and if we don't promote our ingredients and push it, no one else is going to believe in it. If you don't believe in it, how are you able to sell it to somebody else? So the whole point of Ndudu by Fafa is that movement, is to inspire, to allow everybody to tell their own story, the way they live their lives. So yes, I hope you do enjoy these. And yeah, what is next? You have to subscribe, click that notification button and don't miss out. Bruni, be a brutal, catch. Hey, yabaso. I have got to do this, oh, definitely. This is not any other drink, oh. This is that Ndudu drink, infused with spices, herbs, flavors. Of course, the marriage of flavors, infusions. When I say I'm taking care of you guys, girls and boys, I am taking very good care of you. I'm going to be pairing these drinks as well with some amazing dishes that are coming up. Oh, seriously, I've got your back. In as much as Christmas is for celebrating our lives and for being thankful for the goodness, the good, bad, and ugly, it's also a time to extend that kindness to a neighbor that might be down on their luck. Some families might not have a reason to celebrate, so inviting them over for Christmas might make a big difference. And in that spirit, I do have a few surprises coming up. So yes, you need to stay tuned. Absolutely. Now, I'll leave the list of ingredients and measurements on my blogs in dudubyfafa.blogspot.com as well as fafagilbert.com. So do check it out. I'm also on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat as well as Ndudu by Fafa. Now, until next time, take care of you. Be nice, be beautiful. And if you're ever going to change for yourself. What I do pray for is I pray for goodness and mercy and love for everyone. Until next time, take care of you. And guess what? I love you for you. Medase, akba mindanyashi. Bye.